Hello, this is Mahshad Azimi, and I'm studying architecture at the University of Manitoba. And the project that I submitted for Digital Research Alliance of Canada was called Making Research Computing for Architecture and Engineering More Equitable, Diverse, Inclusive, and Accessible. The objectives and the thoughts that I had from the very beginning, I mean, the time that I was writing my proposal, was about the thing that I was experiencing myself as a student in architecture stream, that digital research tools, potentials, and infrastructures were not that much entered in our stream, and we didn't have that much opportunities to pursue to enter this field, or even artificial intelligence itself has got lots of potentials to help, to assist, to support architectural designs, to help architects to design more optimized building and to design more sustainable buildings. But I could see that these innovative and hot topic contents were not that much exposed to architecture students. I mean, when I compare it to other disciplines, other majors. So I was thinking, what is the reason for this and how it can be more accessible to every student or even faculty member in the architecture departments. So it has got diverse potentials. I mean, artificial intelligence in architecture, or the effects of digital research in the research of architectural projects. So this diversity, this accessibility, how it can happen for architecture students and faculty members, and how digital research infrastructure can help architects and engineers, especially the building related fields. Of course, it has got lots of potentials like to streamline workflows, saving significant time and effort in project planning and execution. Architects can explore more innovative design elements like generative design and achieve creative possibilities through AI-driven and data-informed methods. Material and waste reduction, fostering sustainable design practices that lower environmental impacts. So I was thinking, instructing workshops and talk series can bridge the gap in awareness and usage of cloud computing and digital research tools within architecture students and faculty, demonstrating the potential to advance both design and research processes. Beyond improving tools for research, digital research infrastructure empowers architects to create designs that are accessible and inclusive, particularly for individuals with mobility challenges, ensuring spaces meet diverse user needs. So as I said, yeah, it has got lots of potentials. So I prepared a questionnaire to ask from women faculty in architecture to see their insights, their thoughts toward these fields. The reason that I wanted to target women faculty in architecture was that I was experiencing and I could see myself that there is kind of less maybe interest or less touch between uh, among women faculty compared to men. So I wanted to ask the question from them to what are their thoughts? What do they think about digital research, how it can affect their research in future, or how artificial intelligence can help them for their designs or even for their research. So I wanted to go for peoples from different ages, um, different disciplines, different streams of design and architecture to kind of having having diverse people to see their thoughts, their opinions towards these things. And their responses kind of helped me to take more purposeful steps because I was into instruct workshops and preparing some talk series and do research. So the response could help me to be more focused and just to be right to the point. The research that I was doing was use of data capture and machine learning to support upcycling of timber products. How um, This research and this study could optimize and automate process in timber construction to enhance quality control in the wood industry, streamlining the identification of defects and timber offcuts, reducing the amount of wood used in construction. And another thing, my project, my proposal all in all had three main sectors: doing a research, instruct some workshops to familiarize students and faculty member with these tools, and preparing some talk series to invite the people who are doing activities, who are active in these fields, for students to see them, for faculty members to see them, that how they are doing their things, their projects. So about the workshop, as I said, the purpose, the target of the workshop was to teach and to kind of introduce these tools and its potentials, its capabilities to students, for them to see how they can apply these tools. Because when I was talking to them and when I was looking for a reason that what is the reason for not entering or maybe less entering to these fields for architecture students, was they said that they just didn't have enough opportunities in infrastructures, a chance to enter these fields. So I thought a workshop which is free and which is accessible for everyone is a good way for them to purport this opportunity to learn, to be in touch with this kind of tools and kind of figure out how these things can help them in their future research, in their future design. And I wanted to prepare an organized talk series to invite people from different backgrounds, from uh, maybe marginalized groups, or with the women who were entered in this field, who were applying these tools in their work, both from academia and practice. So I was thinking that if I invite women who are expert in these fields, can be kind of like a role model for students to see them, if these professionals are doing these things in their work, so the students can have these opportunities in the future. I was privileged and I'm honored that I was a part of OLS, so it could help me a lot. We had an opportunity and a chance for taking part in a skill up session, which were great, and it personally helped me grow, because I had a chance to learn the things that I haven't learned before, and the things that I could collaborate with people from different backgrounds, different majors, was kind of awesome, because we could share our knowledge, do some knowledge sharing, and talk about our projects. I also want to thank the people who support and help me in this process. Thank from Malvika. She was so helpful and always supporting through every steps, every question that I had. From my supervisor, Dr. Mark Miger, he always was helpful and supporting, and he kind of led me to pursue my interests. And from Dr. Robin Atas. Robin put her amazing ideas with the lens, with the approach of EDIA into my work, and helped me to go through these steps. And I want to thank you to that you listened to my works and you reviewed it.